Mr. President, I came here as a victim and witness of the human rights violation perpetrated by the Indonesian government. Indonesia annexed us through a Assam referendum in 1969. Since then, we have become minority in our own land. Our natural resources are robbed away from us, leaving our people as the poorest and with the lowest life expectancy in Indonesia, although our land is one of the richest in the world in the terms of its natural resources. There are no effective mechanisms in place to protect the indigenous people's resources as well as to ensure our right to self-determination. We indigenous Papuans cannot speak out. When we do, Indonesian military or police force arrest us. When we hold public discussion, they disperse us. When we gather peacefully, they say we are illegal organization. When we want to pray, they charge us with treason and destroy our houses. They isolate us from foreign journalists and humanitarian workers. Indonesian President confirmed joint military and police operation that started last December in Duga region, fearing an excessive use of force. More than 2,000 people have become IDPs. Houses were burned down and more than 25 civilians were dead. No one is allowed to have access to investigate. Mr. President, we request the Council to encourage Indonesia to welcome a visit of UN staff to West Papua. We also urge Member States to ensure that domestic human rights situations are addressed before Indonesia apply for a seat at the Council. I thank you.
Thank you. I give the floor to Global Welfare Association.
MOU ini praktis sudah mati, ya, tidak ada lagi. Jadi saya ingin menantang siapa saja untuk menyebutkan, ya, mana ketentuan MOU yang hari ini masih bisa dijalankan.
La